Hey guys, it's Richie again. Just I saw this pattern uh this today on GMVD and I thought it'd be a good topic just to go over what I was seeing here. We're going to be talking about this pattern right here. I call it a wedge. Some people call it ascending triangle. Um, you can call it whatever you want. I usually call this sometimes the big dog. So right here, I saw this big movie this morning, comes right back down, and this is when things start to get interesting. So it comes right back up right here, halfway from where it came down. I'm like, okay, so is this either gonna go up or down? In this case, it went up. So and it tried to reclaim that five. And I was like, okay, this is getting really interesting. I'm pretty sure this is gonna pull back somewhat right here again, just like it did here. It's gonna pull back again, and it did that. It pulled back, comes right here, comes back up, down, up, right? So if you can see right here, this is what I was looking at right here. Before this was in the making, I saw that this thing dipped right here. So I made a lower trend line right here right away, just kind of seeing where the stock would go ideally. And broke out eventually over high day 520s and then just really started to go after that. So main thing, to go in detail. So we see this pattern, right? We see this. Now we want to look for support and resistance. So from this upper trend line right here, this is resistance. So let's just say $5. Nice round easy number. Okay. So where's the support? So if you guys see this yellow line right here, this is indicating where yesterday's close was, or the previous day close, which was 420s. Okay. So that's support number one. And then right here, 440. So this was the highs of the previous day. So 440, so we're going to mark that. A little bit lower. So 440 right here. So yes, goes straight back. It goes up, goes straight back down. It holds 440s. So it has a double bottom and it continues up. All right, that's good, right? So now we have our support and resistance laid out. If if GMVD were to go down below 440s into 430s, it's gonna start looking weak, and now the new resistance will be 440, and well, the new support would be 420, and then under that, it's gonna be under $4. Now this thing bounced right back up, so now the resistance that the resistance we're looking at is the $5 from here. So we just made that line. Comes back up, down, and up. So this is a very simple pattern. Next, we want to so we see this pattern, right? We see this simple pattern. Now we want to look for the range. How high can the stock go? So we're going to look at the daily right here. So this is the daily chart. And as you can see, trade zero only shows it to up here, so 460s basically. So 460s would be also support as well, daily support. It was trading above it previously, so there's a lot of support going on over here. And there is no history before this. I mean, this thing can go as high as as high as once, to be honest. Sky's the limit here. So that was the key thing. That was the key thing. A lot of range. and we have good support and resistance. So we got a lot of support, but not much resistance. Notice the resistance for this day was only around $5. That was it. Higher than that, this thing could go to 6, 7, 8. I mean, high as possible. Range, high as possible. Catalyst, theme. So this stock had a catalyst, I'm not sure when exactly, but sometime last week. It said right here, um, the company or announces 6.5 million purchase order for 2 million COVID-19 test kits. With the current ongoing pandemic, test kits are in high demand. So we have a theme going on. So the theme is definitely a plus. So now we want to judge. Judging by the criteria we've made, we should have a good idea where the stock will likely go. Based on our criteria, there's a lot of range for upside, little resistance, lots of support, and it has a good theme. So, in my thesis, this stock would likely go higher. And in this case, it went to a high 674. And this could continue to keep going. Based on how it's been trading for the past week or weeks, if you guys look on the hourly chart, so let's just kind of zoom in a little bit. So on the hourly right here, 60-minute, this thing has just been grinding since day one when it started in, I mean, let's just say first volume push. So yeah, so January 10th, so just over a week. It's just been continuing, just non-stop grind on the hour chart. Some may say this looks very extended, but judging by the massive range and theme going on, I feel this thing could really go. So I had a strong conviction that this thing upside were on my odds. I had the odds on my side that this was going to go higher based on my thesis or my criteria. So that's basically it. Just explain this pattern and looking for these criteria and judging by that criteria, I will have a decent or good idea where the stock will likely go. So hope you guys could take something from this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below the video, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.